Actually, this training or this PSBRC or the basic recruitment course is designed for these newly recruits or police recruits to undergo changes in their life from civilian to regimented life. Regimented life of a police officer. Ito minimelot namin or mini-breakdown namin ang pagka-civilian attitude nila, and they will become a gentleman and officer. Ini-equip namin sila ng knowledge pertains to law enforcement, their character towards service, public service, and character towards serving the community. 6 months ito na hinuhubog sila. Ito pong mga PSBRC natin, dahil hindi ko nakauwi ito ng 6 months for them to internalize what is service. Yes, these newly graduate police officers will contribute to the first and foremost to the first marching order of our Chief PNP, Police General Nicolas Piloso Torre III. The number 1 is the swift and responsive public service wherein gusto ipatupad ng ating buting Chief PNP ang 5 minutes response time. And kung nagawa na natin yan, ibababa niya sa 3 minutes ang response time natin to any incident dito sa ating buong Pilipinas. That is yun ang first na gagawin ng ating trainings, to be fast in responding incident, kung ano bang mga incident.
Ano sir yung pinakamahalagang payo sir ang ipag-invent ko sa mga graduates natin?
Of course, may ang payo ko dito sa mga ating kapatid na siklari na we should apply all the basic knowledge that they got here in the training center, because ito yung foundation ng aming organisasyon, itong PSBRC. Most of our police officers, nung galing sila dito, maraming from the ranks. So, it composes the foundation of the Philippine National Police, itong PSBRC. That's why basic ito dito. Pinagkat na unang paano sila minubog, paano nakuha yung kaalaman nila when it comes to reinforcement. So, ang requirement is to the line, mabilis, ang hirap mag-training, pero mabilis maalis. Sa isang iglap lang, pag hindi ka nag-toe the line or gumawa ka ng kasalanan, which is not in line with service. So, sabihin, break and discipline, so on and so forth, it is not consonant with the norms. What is Philippine National Police Force? Eh, sigurado, maalis sa dito, mawalan lahat ng kanila. Yun ang service, dapat service. Of course, sa mga parents natin, patuloy nilang supportahan ang kanilang anak. Ang anak nila ay hindi na sa kanila. It is owned by the government. So, sila ay government owned na. Kaya ang time nila will be devoted to the government until they reach their retirement, which is 56 years old. So, ibig sabihin, 80 is siguro 80 is public service and 20 is for the family. Yan ang pag maintindihan ng kanyang pamilya. And, kung kailangan kasi mahirap ang police. Lalo na pag nasa sitwasyon ng personal.
Last question na lang. Kasi kung gusto rin pong mag-training sir, paano po sila makaka-join sir?
Of course.
Kasi yung mga kailangan.
Oo. Dapat meron silang pasamuna nila ang napulkong police entrance examination. Maraming of course, kailangan rin nila na dapat degree holder sila. Mas maganda kung passer sila, that is the primary na natin requirements, and lalagyan na natin ng determination, usog, at yun na naman, support na naman ng pamilya. At magpalakas ng katawan. Kasi ang ating check PAP ay isang matipong PAP, kaya pa mag 100 push-up at tumatakbo pa siya regularly.